What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. And today I have a package here from Hat Club. Y'all see the box, y'all know the vibes. This is from Hat Club's upcoming s'mores pack that's dropping this Thursday. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Grab your friends and huddle around the bonfire. S'mores pack is here with an elevated suede material and fall colors to get you right this season from your friends at Hat Club. Also inside the box is this sticker of a marshmallow that got a little bit too toasty, I guess. He's running away, grabbing his head, he's on fire. There's also this little matchbook with the roasted marshmallow running away again, and it says Hat Club, and on the back you have that campsite scene. This is dope, I like this. Now it's time to get into the main event, the hat itself, and let me just say before I get into the colorway and all of that stuff, the suede on this crown is really nice. It's soft, it's plush, it has like a back and forth to it that I'll definitely try to show y'all in the up close video, the b-roll that I'll play for y'all, because y'all gotta see just how nice the suede on this crown is. And it really does look like a toasted marshmallow. It's kind of like a cream suede that's on the crown, and then you have a orange, burnt orange for the visor and the button on top. But that cream colored suede on the crown looks just like a toasted marshmallow. Now this is the Atlanta Braves out of the pack, so on the front you have that Atlanta Braves front logo with the tomahawk. It's kind of like a burnt orange threading on the inside, and then you have a black outline with a greater white outline, and you also have some lighter orange hits on the tomahawk itself at the top and the bottom, and that pairs up nicely with the 30th season and Atlanta side patch. If you ask me, they complement each other. You have the Atlanta Braves with the tomahawk, and then you also have the Braves script with the tomahawk inside the side patch. You have some more of that burnt orange, of course, but then you also get some yellow in there, some more of that lighter orange for the bat, some white for the baseball, and there's also some white on the outline. Flat batterman on the back, white in the middle, black on one side, burnt orange on the opposite side in the corner. Tonal New Era flag, green UV with the black sweatband, and in my opinion, that just brings everything together because you have those fall tones, but it's still calm enough so that you could wear it with a lot of different things. Like it's time to break out those burgundies, the navies, the forest greens, the camouflages. This hat's gonna go with all of that because like I said, you got the dark orange, which is already a complementary color. It goes with a lot of different things, but then the crown, the cream on the crown is calm enough so that it doesn't clash with anything else that you might want to wear. Y'all know I love getting my fits off and my combos off over on Instagram, so make sure y'all tap in with me there because I will have something coming for this one very soon. But we not even done yet. The s'mores pack drops this Thursday, and it's actually 2 colorways, not just the one that I already showed y'all. So of course I gotta show y'all what the other colorway is looking like. So this right here is the second colorway from the Hat Club s'mores pack, and as y'all can see, it's also a two-tone, and you do have the suede on the crown on this one as well, except for this time it is a burnt orange suede on the crown, black visor, black button on top, a really nice looking Red Sox front logo. You have the orange in the middle, the black on the outline, and then you have some small hits of white in there. And then of course you have that All-Star Game 99 side patch, which is the head turner for me. The color placement in there is just really clean. You can see all of the details, the yellow, the orange, the black, the white. It's definitely well done, and that is one of my favorite side patches. Flat batterman on the back, the same as the last hat. You have the white in the middle, black on one side, orange on the opposite side. Tonal New Era flag, green UV as well with the black sweatband. I love that they put the green UV on these. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna make them really wearable for the fall. Now, before I forget, for those of y'all that I know are gonna ask, both hats are made in Bangladesh, and you do actually get that Hat Club branding on the inside of the sweatband. It's that same marshmallow logo on fire running away. In the comment section, I'm looking forward to hearing y'all tell me which colorway y'all are feeling more, because while I really like the burnt orange, I have a lot of hats in my collection of this color because that's just a color that I gravitate towards when it comes to fitted hats. Something about the cream on this one is just real nice. It really does look like a toasted marshmallow, and I think that's what's getting me. So I'm gonna have to go with the cream and orange. That's my pick, but both colorways are solid choices. If any of you haven't picked up a hat that has suede on it yet, and you're wondering if you could steam the hat and curve the hat like you do any of your other hats, you absolutely can. I have like 4 in my collection at this point, and I steam them and I curve them the exact same way using the exact same method as all of my other hats, and I haven't had any issues. And I'm gonna show y'all that exact same steaming and curving method that I use every day right now. I'm back, the hat is steamed, it's curved, and I'm gonna give y'all a full 360 of what it's looking like right now. Here it is. Don't sleep on that cream suede on the crown. I'm telling y'all, it looks just like a toasted marshmallow. Very, very cool in hand. I love what Hat Club did with that. The pack has a real cozy vibe to it, so I definitely got to get in my bag, pair it up with something nice over on Instagram, so make sure y'all follow me over there. And again, the s'mores pack from Hat Club drops on Thursday. If you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, and subscribe. Show a small YouTuber some love, and check out these videos right over here if you want to see me unbox some more fitted hats.